Are you tired of kitchen faucets that look great, but fail you when it matters most? What if I told you there's a faucet that not only upgrades your kitchen style but also saves you time, effort, and frustration every single day? Today, we're taking a close look at the Pfister Barulli kitchen faucet with pull-down sprayer and soap dispenser, and trust me, you'll want to see what this one can do before making your next upgrade. Product features. Let's start with what makes this faucet stand out. First, you get a pull-down sprayer with an advanced docking system. Pfister's MagnetFit technology uses strong magnets to snap the spray head back into place, and it actually stays there, so the sprayer naturally lines up perfectly every time you dock it. Small detail but huge convenience, the spray head gives you two modes, stream and spray, easily controlled with a toggle button right at your fingertips. Plus, the nozzles are wipe clean, so you can remove mineral buildup with just a swipe, no scrubbing needed. Now let's talk design. This faucet has a high arc spout with 360-degree rotation, giving you plenty of room for large pots, cleaning, or even washing delicate items. The Spot Defense stainless steel finish helps resist fingerprints, smudges, and water spots, so your faucet looks cleaner for longer with less effort. You also get Forever Seal technology, which means no leaks ever. That's a bold claim, but it's backed by a durable ceramic disc valve system, and installation surprisingly simple. With Fast Connect and the included quick install tool, you can get this faucet set up quickly even if you're not a pro. Oh, and it comes with a matching soap dispenser, which is a nice bonus for a complete sink setup. Pros and cons. Let's break it down honestly. Pros: strong magnetic docking, no loose sprayer issues. Sleek, modern design with high arc flexibility. Spot-resistant finish reduces cleaning time. Leak-proof ceramic valve for long-term reliability. Easy installation with included tools. Comes with a soap dispenser. Cons: slightly higher price compared to basic faucets. Soap dispenser may feel less premium than the faucet itself. Might be oversized for very small sinks. Overall review. So, is the Pfister Barulli kitchen faucet worth it? If you're looking for a faucet that combines style, durability, and real everyday convenience, this is a solid investment. It's especially great for busy kitchens where functionality matters just as much as looks. Between the magnetic docking, easy cleaning features, and leak-proof design, it's built to make your life easier, not harder. It's perfect for homeowners who want a reliable, modern upgrade without dealing with constant maintenance issues.